Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and buy NVIDIA stock on Revolut. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video to the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Revolut.com website right here if you have not already. If you're using it on your mobile phone, you can just go ahead and download the application by opening up the App Store, searching for Revolut, finding the application and install it. So once you've done so, this is going to be the home page. From here, the process is the same. Doesn't matter if you're on your PC or mobile phone, we can get started. So as you can see, we have the Revolut page right here. And now let's go ahead and take a look at what you need to do. So first things first, log into your account. If you do not already have an account, you can just go ahead and create one. So as you can see, you have the sign up option right here, and you can go ahead and log in if you already have an account. So once you're logged in, now we can get started, and this is how the home page is going to look like. So what you can do is go ahead and use the search bar right here to access their stocks. But guys, what we can also do is go to Google and search for Revolut NVIDIA. So this is going to give us the results that you can see right here, where we can go to the Revolut.com NVIDIA stock price page, and this is going to enable us to get started investing. So you're going to need to log into your account, open up this stocks page for NVIDIA and click start investing, and this is going to enable you to scan the QR code to download the application, as you can only go ahead and get into stocks using the application right here, and you cannot do so on the PC version of the website, only using the application. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care and bye.